Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Mr. Marashaji Tutorials. Today we want to talk about the human alimentary canal. We want to talk about the human alimentary canal. This is under a topic in combined science called human nutrition. And the word nutrition there, it means the process of taking in food and being used by body parts. The process of taking in food and being used by both parts. So without wasting much of your time, let me get into today's topic, which is the human alimentary canal. So I'm going to teach about what actually happened, how nutrition takes place in our bodies, and also I'm going to provide the functions of these parts of the body that are being listed on the screen. So let me go into the subject. Nutrition can only occurs in 5 stages. Number 1, panofanotanga paita inonzi ingestion. And ingestion, we are referring to the process of taking in food. The process of taking in food, or the process of putting food into the mouth, where it is chewed, crushed, and mixed with saliva. That is ingestion. Then from ingestion, digestion. What is digestion? It is the breaking down of food into smaller particles. And also you have to include the forms of digestion, that is chemical digestion and physical digestion. All these forms of digestion, they are going to occur in this stage under digestion. Right from digestion, absorption. Absorption, soluble foods that are being taken into the bloodstreams. They are being taken into the bloodstreams in the small intestines and also in the large intestines. After absorption, there is assimilation, which is the actual use of the absorbed food. That is assimilation. The actual use of the absorbed food by both parts is called assimilation. And from assimilation, we go to the last one, which is number 5, called ingestion. Ingestion up the undigested food through the others. So I'm going to give you these functions. There is a mouth there. Mouth right? There is what you call esophagus, right? As you can see, what is the purpose of this esophagus? The purpose of this esophagus is to allow bolus of food to move from the mouth to the stomach. Is to allow the bolus of food to move from the mouth to the stomach, right? What is now the function of what you call the stomach? The stomach is there to hold food for about an hour, or is there to store food for temporary. This is the stomach. That is the function of the stomach. But before that, if you look at the mouth and the stomach, there is a gap in between the mouth and the stomach. There is what you call esophagus, right? There is the movement of bolus of food from the mouth going down through the esophagus into the stomach, and there is a process that describes that action or that movement, and that process is called peristalsis. So the movement of bolus of food from the mouth through the esophagus into the stomach is called peristalsis. You need to know that. If possible, you can just write down notes, right? We go on. We talk about what you call pancreas. What is the purpose of pancreas? Pancreas is there to produce enzymes for protein, starch, and fat digestion, which means the enzymes that catalyze or breaking down the proteins, they are produced by pancreas. The enzymes that catalyze starch or emulsify starch is produced by pancreas. The enzymes that catalyze or break down fats, they are produced by what? Pancreas. That is the purpose of pancreas, right? Let's go to the liver. What is the purpose of the liver? Number 1, liver, it produces what you call bile. That is the purpose of a liver. It produces bile, or it can store vitamins and minerals. 1, it produces bile. 2, it can store vitamins and minerals, and also it can regulate blood sugar. That is the purpose of a liver, right? What is the purpose now of what you call the gallbladder? right? The gallbladder is there to store bile produced by the liver. The gallbladder is there to store bile produced by the liver. So don't confuse the two. What produces bile is liver, but what stores bile is gallbladder, right? Let's go to bile duct. What is the purpose of this one? Called bile duct. Bile duct, it carries bile from the gallbladder to the duodenum. It carries bile from the gallbladder to what? To the duodenum, right? I think those are the important functions that we have, right? Let's go to what you call the colon here. What is the purpose of the colon? The colon, or what you call the large intestines, is also important for what? For absorbing water and salts. For absorbing water and salts, right? What is the purpose of now what you call the anus? The anus. What is the purpose of the anus? The anus is there to allow feces to pass through. That's it. It allows feces to pass through. Allow feces to pass through. I think these are the importance of the human alimentary canal together with the functions of the parts. After watching this video, guys, don't forget to like. I know you all can like, but just share the link so that others, they can also like, they can also subscribe, they can also comment, so that when they subscribe, don't forget to ring the notification bell, so that when I upload the next video, you'll be the first person to get the notification and watch the video, so that you can get your A when the examination comes next year in November. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. Just encourage others to subscribe, because you are going to subscribe on that. Thank you so much.